Many believe that being alone is a sign of weakness. They think it means being lonely, lost, or even forgotten. But what if I told you that the opposite is actually true? What if I told you that within the quiet moments of solitude lies a wellspring of strength just waiting to be discovered? My own journey has been deeply intertwined with the power of solitude. As a young girl, facing challenges and uncertainties, I found solace in being alone. And those quiet moments, they weren't empty or lonely. They were filled with the whispers of my own thoughts, dreams, and aspirations. It was in those moments of solitude that I began to understand myself. I learned to listen to my inner voice, to trust my instincts, and to believe in my own strength. Growing up, silence was often my only companion. But in the stillness, I discovered the power of my own voice. I would read aloud, recite poetry, and practice speaking my truth. Solitude became my training ground, a safe space where I could explore my thoughts and emotions without judgment. And it was in those solitary moments that I discovered the power of my own voice, a voice that would, one day, touch the lives of millions. Solitude is not just about being alone. It's really about connecting with your inner self. It's about creating space for reflection, for introspection, for a deep and meaningful conversation with your own soul. In the quiet moments, we can ask ourselves the tough questions, confront our fears, and discover our true desires. Reflection in solitude is like holding up a mirror to our soul, allowing us to see ourselves with clarity and honesty. I've learned that being alone is a gift. It's in those quiet moments that I find my strength and clarity. These words reflect my deep belief in the transformative power of solitude. It's not about isolating ourselves from the world, but about creating space to reconnect with ourselves, to listen to our inner wisdom, and to emerge stronger and more resilient. Gently guiding us towards our highest good. I encourage you, yes, you, to embrace solitude as a part of your own journey of self-discovery and growth. Just try to create space in your day for quiet reflection, for introspection, and for listening to the whispers of your own heart. Don't be afraid to spend time alone with your thoughts, your dreams, and your aspirations, because in the stillness, you will find your voice, your strength, and your truth. The path of solitude may be less traveled, sure, but it is a path that is so richly rewarded. It leads to self-awareness, self-acceptance, and self-love, and it carries you toward inner peace, joy, and fulfillment. So, go ahead, embrace the journey, and discover the transformative power that's waiting for you in the stillness. Remember this: being alone is not a weakness. It is a powerful path to personal growth, self-discovery, and inner strength. Embrace the stillness, listen to your inner voice, and trust the journey, because the power within you, it's just waiting to be unleashed.